Hey you guys, wait until you see the super cool snack that one of my Tupper sisters just taught me how to make using our microwave rice cooker. It's not gonna be rice. Are you ready for this? So I'm gonna take the top lid off. I'm gonna put the insert off to the side because I don't need it. And in goes a 1/4 of a cup of popcorn. Popcorn in the microwave rice maker. No oil, no butter, no nothing. The lid goes on and it is going into the microwave for 2 minutes. And it's just that easy. Now watch, just wait. Let's listen. We're gonna hear it. You get to sit here and look at me for 2 minutes while we wait and hear the popcorn popping. It's been 30 seconds. "45 seconds. Did you hear it? There it goes. Let's get closer so you can hear. 1 minute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited if this is gonna work. This is gonna be just like air popped popcorn. No oil. I can add whatever I want afterwards. Listen to it popping. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? It's got 30 seconds yet to go. 20. 15. It's still popping. If it were to stop, I'd stop it quicker. I'm going to leave it up there for just a second until the pops quit. I do believe the pops have quit. All right, let's see how much popcorn I got out of that. Are you ready? Look at that, you guys. How many unpopped kernels do I have? Here, let's turn this around so you can see. How many unpopped kernels? Not really very many. There's a couple at the bottom. But how cool is that? So we have got microwave popcorn, no additives, no nothing, just plain old popcorn. 2 minutes.